Everyone, today we have Abhijit Gupta, our only five-time Commonwealth champion and also an Arjuna awardee. So he specifically flew down to Hyderabad to the camp where Canada Chess Foundation and Akagra Chess Academy are conducting. So he is specifically here to identify the local talent and also the children who are pretty much doing good and pretty great. And in order to know what else they would be needing to fill the gaps on their journey to become a grandmaster. So I'll let the master himself talk now.
I'm very happy to be here. When Rahul asked me to come, flew down here for his Canadian Chess Foundation and or also organized by Akagra Chess Academy of Sandeep Naidu. I was very happy, and I can see there are a lot of potential here. And as you can see, like there were kids who were like 4, 5 years to all the way, to 15, 16, 18 years old. So I see a lot of potential here, and I hope like years down the in some years down the line, we can have some title players in this academy. I think more or less these kind of training sessions, this camp, and basically play strong events can help them become master at a very young age. Basically, you just have to enjoy what you're doing. So I always loved playing chess right from the start. So if you are actually doing what you love, it doesn't feel like work. So yeah, I will just tell them that just enjoy the process, and sooner or later result will follow.
Okay, and I also urge parents to play chess with your children just for the fun of it. And a lot of times we also overdo thinking that we want our children to be a master or something else. And I think one more beauty of chess is that it can prevent Alzheimer's and ADHD, which is one of the leading causes of deaths in the world. And I think this one simple thing that can be focused on, which Canada Chess Foundation as well focuses on. So it's a much better aspect towards life in general, rather than just a game or a sport or being competitive. It's absolutely good for mental health. So it's just a mental martial art for your brain, like how we go to the gym, we run, we play badminton. This is pretty good for your brain, irrespective of what avenue you want to pursue with your lives.